How to retry after exception? I have a loop starting with for I in range 0, 100. Normally it runs correctly, but sometimes it fails due to network conditions. Currently I have it set so that on failure, it will continue in the except clause, continue on to the next number for I. Is it possible for me to reassign the same number to I and run through the failed iteration of the loop again?
Do a while true inside your for loop, put your try code inside, and break from that while loop only when your code succeeds.
I prefer to limit the number of retries, so that if there's a problem with that specific item you will eventually continue on to the next one, thus.
Update December 1, 2021. As of June 2016, the retrying package is no longer being maintained. Consider using the active fork github.com/jd/tenacity, or alternatively github.com/little/backoff. The retrying package is a nice way to retry a block of code on failure. For example,
Here is a solution similar to others, but it will raise the exception if it doesn't succeed in the prescribed number or retries.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.